गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। हाई कोर्ट एपीएस की अगली डिक्टेशन स्पीड 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। Then get ready and start now. The present appeals are directed against the judgment of our division bench of the Bombay High Court. Several writ petitions were disposed of by the High Court. These writ petitions were filed either by the unions of the workers of the Marathwada Agricultural University within bracket hereinafter referred to as the University bracket closed are by the implies of he University against the state of Maharashtra and against the University staff. The primary grievance was their qualification, nature of work, duties and responsibilities of the work of laborers who were daily rated laborers are same as that of permanent laborers employed by the university staff. Even then, the daily rated workers were getting far less wages than the employments which were being paid to permanent laborers stopped. It was also submitted that the Maharashtra Mumbai Wages Commission constituted under the Minimum Wages Act, 1948 had fixed the rate of wages depending upon the zones in Marathwada region stopped. But the university paid these daily rated workers far less. The High Court held that denial of the appropriate wages to the daily rated workers amounted to explosion of labor. The government cannot take advantage of its dominant position by forcing them to work as casual laborers on starvation wages. Therefore, it was directed that the daily rated workers were to be paid wages with effect from 1st May, 1988 at the rate of basic pay, such that at the minimum of the pay scale plus dearness allowance divided by 26 the directions in essence were as follows. Therefore, it is being directed that if the daily rated workers are being given paid weekly of then they be paid the wages at the rate of basic pay within bracket at the minimum of the pay scale bracket close plus dearness allowance divided by 30, and if paid weekly of is not being given to the daily rated workers, then they be paid wages at the rate of basic pay in bracket at the minimum of the pay scale bracket closed plus dearness allowance divided by 26 term. Such payment should be on the basis of the categories of the daily rated workers, such as, skilled, semi-skilled, or unskilled, as the case may be. Land Council for the appellant submitted that the workers were seasonal workers and the question of regularization does not arise in view of what has been stated by this court in Secretary, State of Karnataka and others versus Umadevi and others, JT 2006 within bracket 4 bracket close SC 420 is to 2006 within bracket 4 SCC 1 Land Council for the respondents on the other hand submitted that there is no question of regularization but of party of pay stopped. A dispute has been raised by the appellant that the Industrial Disputes Act, 1947 within bracket insert the ID Act bracket closed was not applicable because the university was not an industry stop. It was also submitted that the High Court direction is to work out applicable norms. Stop. Considering the peculiar nature of the controversy, we feel that a committee should be constituted for the purpose of rationalization of the wages. Stop. Thank you.